What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Going to go over our friend BTC. Coming, we're seeing at 35.3K. We're up 2.6 on the day. Breaking out of our wedge. Seeing market cap 690 billion, 25 on 26.84 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. So we had our ABCDE corrective triangle and we broke out of the wedge. So this is exactly what we were looking for. Now we're looking for a wave 5 target. The normal target is the 618 at 38.2. Any break above the 3 can complete the 5. But our expectation would be to reach about 38.2 to complete the wave 5 before seeing a larger pullback. And if you measure the flag pull, you can see that takes you almost up to the 78.6 at 39.7. So that would be the higher probability, is to complete that wave 5, to complete this wave 3, pull back in a wave 4 and push up in a wave 5. That's what I'm expecting for BTC. Daily chart, as you can see, we've started to break out of the wedge, 20 EMA slowly creeping up to the candle, and we pushed up into that next major level of resistance at 36K. So once we complete this impulse, that will complete that larger wave 3. We pull back in a wave 4 and potentially see that wave 5 that could take you up to 38.7. As you can see right here, let me zoom out for you guys so it's makes more sense, especially for new viewers. Here's your wave 1 to the upside, wave 1, wave 2 pullback. Now we're pushing up in the 5-wave move. Currently pushing up in the wave 5 to complete the wave 3 here in white, pullback in a wave 4, and potentially push you up in a wave 5, which could take you up to around 40K. And that next level of resistance at 38.6, and then your next major level is about 40.7 for our friend BTC. The DXY, it's not very impulsive. I was expecting us to push higher. If we do end up coming lower, it could be a complex correction in a wave 4, like a WXY. So the wave 4 may not be complete because, as you can see, this is not very impulsive unless you want to look at a 1-2-1-2. So if we were to come down and break that bearish confirmation, either we're still going through the wave 4 correction, or we could see a deeper pullback. That wave A could be complete and you see a deeper pullback in a wave B, which would be very positive for BTC. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at in the short term. 38.2 is the target for the wave 5, for the smaller wave 5 to complete the larger wave 3. We just locked in juicy profits on Solana, over 100% gain on that trade. Firstly, make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN. For all my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20 completely free to trade with, my subscribers only. As I mentioned, we just locked in profits on Sol. As you can see, over 100% profit on that trade. We just absolutely crushed it. We're up over 60% on Gala, and we're up on Ethereum. My signals are only $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news. Member profits, as you can see, killed it on Sol, and they killed it on Gala with our recent calls. Auto all plays, as well as Forex signals and analysis. We're currently killing it on US oil, and we're looking to get into silver and gold. All for $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.